Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a DBA in New York. We'll cover what a DBA is, who needs one, and the step-by-step process for registering your assumed business name. You'll also learn where to submit your application and important considerations to ensure a smooth filing. Let's get started with understanding the basics of a DBA. A DBA, or doing business as, is simply an assumed name your business uses that is different from its legal name. This allows you to brand and market your business effectively. Sole proprietorships and general partnerships typically need to file a DBA if they operate under any name other than the owner's personal name. Corporations and LLCs might also use a DBA for new product lines or services. Filing your DBA involves a few key steps. First, perform a name search to ensure your desired assumed name is available. Next, complete the specific Certificate of Assumed Name form for your business type. Remember to have this form notarized. Finally, submit the completed and notarized form along with the required filing fee to the correct government office. Where you file your DBA depends on your business structure. Sole proprietorships and general partnerships file with the county clerk in the county where they operate. LLCs and corporations, however, submit their Certificate of Assumed Name to the New York Department of State. Filing fees typically range from $25 to $100, varying by entity type and county. Sole proprietorship DBAs often require renewal every 10 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.